Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Somaliland, the land of peace.
Somaliland, officially the Republic of Somaliland, is a once recognized country in the Horn of Africa. In 1884, the British established protectorate agreements with Somali chiefs in what is now called Somaliland. The British Somaliland Protectorate was then formally established in 1888. From 1899 to 1920, the Dervish uprising led by Muhammad Abdullah Hassan against British rule took place. The British then re-established control after defeating Dervish forces in 1920. During World War II, Italian forces briefly occupied British Somaliland from August 1940 to March 1941. On June 26, 1960, the British granted independence to Somaliland as the Republic of Somaliland. Somaliland became the first Somali-speaking nation ever in the world on June 26, 1960. Just 5 days later, on July 1, 1960, Somaliland voluntarily united with the Trust Territory of Somalia to form the Somali Republic. However, after decades of political unrest, marginalization, and civil war, the Somali National Movement, SNM, led a resistance against the oppressive regime in Mogadishu. As a result of their struggle and sacrifice, Somaliland declared the restoration of its independence on May 18, 1991. Since then, Somaliland has focused on rebuilding its nation from the ground up. Over the years, it has established its own government, constitution, currency, passport, national flag, and national army, laying the foundations of a functioning and stable state. Now, in 2025, Somaliland proudly celebrates the 34th anniversary of its restored independence, marking more than 3 decades of peace, self-governance, and resilience. And now the world is celebrating with Somaliland. From every continent, voices have come together to say hello and to honor this special day. Let's hear them.
Greetings, my name is Kirion J. Miranda. I am from Belize.
My name is Kosenhle Andrew Pamali. I am from the Kingdom of Eswatini.
Hi, my name is Luhan. I'm from Paraguay.
Hello, my name is Yiğit Khan. I'm from Turkey.
My name is Adel Shaban from Egypt.
My name is Anna and I am from Colombia.
I'm Zach and I'm from Taiwan.
Hello, my name is Travis from America.
My name is Mahdi. I am from Yemen.
Hi, I'm JB from the Philippines.
Hi, I'm Esther from Hungary.
Hello everyone, my name is Kim and I'm from the Solomon Islands.
My name is Stephen Francis. I'm from the beautiful island of St. Lucia.
My name is Renato Siribent from Tanzania.
Hey guys, I'm MJ from Thailand.
Hi, I'm Vicky from Nepal.
My name is Nazif. I'm from Malaysia.
Hello, I'm Brian from Vietnam.
Hello, my name is Suchi from Indonesia.
My name is Muhammad Munib. I'm from Pakistan.
Hello, my name is Hector. I'm from Honduras.
My name is Kendi and I'm from Haiti.
Hello, my name is John. I am from Japan.
Hello, my name is Sena Yuen from Myanmar.
Hi, my name is Sija and I'm from France.
My name is Muhammad Ali Haider. I am from India.
My name is Diego. I'm from Ecuador.
Hello, my name is BT. I am from Mongolia.
Hi, I'm Achu from Papua New Guinea.
My name is Emilio Sandy and I am from St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Each voice carries a word. Together they carry a message.
I want to wish the people of Somaliland
Happy Independence
Day.
Somaliland.
Wishing you peace and bright future for your beautiful nation.
34th Independence Day celebration, and here's to the next 34 to come.
Happy 18 May.
Somaliland
people.
From every tongue, one wish. In many languages, they share one message. Happy Independence Day, Somaliland.
أهنئكم بعيد استقلال Somaliland يوم 18 مايو.
Somaliland 国庆日快乐.
Je suis Kendi, originaire d'Haïti, et aujourd'hui, je veux souhaiter une joyeuse fête d'indépendance à la République de Somaliland.
Feliz Mayo 18 y feliz Día de la Independencia de Somaliland.
सोमालीलैंड के भाइयों और बहनों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
Buda Pave, Papuapuritya po Somalilandia pe.
Somaliland'in 18 Mayıs Bağımsızlık Günü'nü kutlarım.
Halala Somaliland, Sinfisila Logoshe.
तमाम सोमालीलैंड वालों को आज़ादी मुबारक।
Maligayaw ng araw ng kalayaan. Nawatakia siku ya uhuru tarehe 18 mwezi wa 5. Asanteni sana.
Boldog függetlenség napját Szomáli föld, május 18.
สุขสันต์วันสันติภาพรับสันติภาพของโซมาลิแลนด์แฮปปี้ค่ะ
ソマリアの方々、独立記念日5月18日、おめでとうございます。
ပျော်ရွှင်သောလွတ်လပ်ရေးနေ့လေးဖြစ်ပါစေဆိုမာလီလန်၏
Besar Takdir Dreamin Somaliland. Hansari Arunan.
Selamat Hari Kemerdekaan Somaliland. Semoga diberkahi dengan kedamaian dan masa depan yang cerah untuk negerimu yang indah.
Kami happy Tumas for wishing you Somaliland people one for a happy celebration day.
स्वतन्त्रता दिवसको लागि शुभकामना मे 18 को लागि।
Selamat menyambut Hari Kemerdekaan.
Chúc mừng ngày độc lập Somaliland.
So we're supporting Somaliland on Independence Day. We're supporting lape Somaliland si nozon work here. We're supporting to buy a farm, to buy a BPO, to celebrate bonne santé avec lape.
Mi blalai to big bla. Happy Independence golo you people go Somaliland.
Today we are recognizing Somaliland, celebrating 34 years of independence, the 18th of May. Happy Independence, Somaliland.